Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So if you're looking to back up your GB WhatsApp data to Google Drive, you've come to the right video. So whether you're using GB WhatsApp, OG WhatsApp, AN WhatsApp, or any other modified WhatsApp version and you're looking to back up your data to Google Drive, you've come to the right video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to back up your GB or any other modified version of WhatsApp data to Google Drive. So without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So before we continue, you need to make sure that your modified WhatsApp version is updated to the latest version, okay, to avoid getting banned. And secondly, we'll be needing two apps. Of course, GB WhatsApp, which is the first app, and the second is an app known as AutoSync for Google Drive, which is just right here, Drive Sync. So this app, the link to this app is going to be mentioned in the video description. Okay, so you can get the download links for GB WhatsApp and this Drive Sync from the video description. So once you've gotten the Drive Sync, the first thing that you want to do, the first step you want to take is to open your GB WhatsApp just like so. And then from here, you click on this three dot icon and go to settings. So once in the settings, you want to go to chat and then chat backup. As you can see, I created a local chat backup at 10 AM. So I'm just going to create another one. And since GB WhatsApp isn't an official version of Google of WhatsApp, you won't be able to link your Google account to this GB WhatsApp application for automatic backup. Alright, so in this case you'll be needing a third-party app that will let you, that's going to act like a middleman that will receive your GB WhatsApp backup and upload it to your Google Drive instead of going directly. So that is the process. So the third-party app that will be needing here after taking a local backup is the Drive Sync. So what you want to do is to open this Drive Sync and then you tick on I agree. You grant the app permissions and you want to connect your Google Drive account to this app. So let me do that real quick. So after connecting your Google Drive, just choose what to sync. But before we choose through this button, there is a last thing, that a primordial step that we need to take. Okay, so we'll just head back to GB WhatsApp, and if you're using the latest version of GB WhatsApp, there is actually a GB WhatsApp setting that lets you back up your WhatsApp settings itself. Okay, so with the recent updates made to WhatsApp no longer stores its media files and folders within a separate folder in your Android device on your local storage. It now stores these settings or these media files within the Android folder, making access to these files very secure. So the update that GB WhatsApp actually released actually circumvents this method and lets you back up your WhatsApp data to its own folder in a document file. Okay, so what you want to do is to click on this three dot icon and select GB settings. So you scroll and then you see backup and restore. So this backup and restore, this backup lets you back up your WhatsApp data actually to your Android device storage, not in the Android folder. Okay, you just back up your WhatsApp data to your device storage itself, and you can see the directory, the backup folder is the document GB backup. Alright, so what you want to do is just click on this backup WhatsApp data. Okay, that's done. Now we head back to our Drive Sync and then choose what to sync. Okay, so don't just precipitate and click on the sync button just yet. So we want to go to the synced folders and then you click on these add folders. Okay, so you can give the folder pair a name, remote folder in your cloud storage. You can select this cloud storage is actually your Google Drive storage. Okay, so just click on my files and then you want to create a new folder and name that one GB WhatsApp. Just like so, and then you create it and then click select, and then for the local folder in device you just select the GB WhatsApp from the directory where we back up the GB WhatsApp data. So we'll just go to the documents and GB backup. So I'll just get on this document and this GB backup. Okay, so then click on com GB WhatsApp and then you select the folder. Okay, so keep that in mind very seriously. This is the directory that you have to back up, the com.gb WhatsApp. Alright, and then now you can give your folder pair a name. You can say GB WhatsApp, just like so. GB WhatsApp backup to make it more specific. And then you'll have a few options to tick right here. So you can exclude hidden files or include them. You can exclude subfolders, which I will not recommend. You can delete empty subfolders, which I will not also recommend. So just let that one that way. And for the sync method, you can choose whether it's a two-way, upload only, upload then delete, upload mirror, download only, download then delete, download mirror. By default it's a two-way, and I will recommend you leaving it just like that. And then now click on save button. Okay, so you want to make sure that this auto sync is checked. Okay, make sure that the auto sync is checked. It's going to enable automatic backup whenever something new gets added to the folder. Now we go back to the status tab and click on sync. So give it a few minutes to sync your data to your Google Drive. Okay, so once everything has been uploaded to your Google Drive, you want to make sure that everything went well successfully. So to do so, you want to go to your Google Drive and then you go to the file section. You click on the GB WhatsApp folder and make sure that everything is there. Okay, so one of the most important things that must be here is the databases folder. Alright, because it is this databases folder that has everything regarding to your WhatsApp account. Okay, so you want to make sure that everything has been uploaded here successfully. And now that we're sure that everything has been uploaded, you want to go back to the drive sync and do some little tweaking. Okay, so one of the most important things to do within this app is to turn off battery optimization for the app. Okay, because the app relies on its full performance to make sure that your folder with your GB WhatsApp data gets automatically backed up to your GB WhatsApp, to your Google Drive folder. Okay, so to make sure that everything goes well, you want to click on this turn off battery optimization. Alright, so you want to click on that option and click on allow. Okay, that's all you have to do. Okay, so guys, that's how you get to back up your GB WhatsApp data to Google Drive. The process is very easy and straightforward. Don't forget that you need a middleman for this process, since GB WhatsApp doesn't work directly with Google Drive. And also you want to make sure that you use the GB WhatsApp settings, the backup and restore feature in GB settings to back up this GB WhatsApp. Okay, because if you do a local backup from the WhatsApp settings, of course it's going to back up, but not all the settings are going to be available there. But doing a backup from this GB WhatsApp settings, make sure that everything works well, that you've backed up everything to your GB WhatsApp folder. And once you click on this GB WhatsApp data backup, it compiles all the databases, the files, the media, everything, and compiles it in a single folder that you can just back up to your Google Drive. Okay, so make sure you follow this video step by step and come to the end of the video. Alright, so if you've reached this stage, then you've come to the end of our video. And for now, I would recommend you hit the subscribe button down below and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming update. Okay, in our upcoming video, I'll be showing you how to transfer your GB WhatsApp data to WhatsApp and do the other way around. Alright, so I'll catch you on that video.